Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Metaverse farmer partners. This location is provided for whoever who want to use to camp here. This is a camping ground. The first location here. You can use this location without any charge. Yeah, don't worry about the location. It is not far from the local people here, from the local society. So you don't have to make your own food here. You can order to the local people here. Okay, this is suitable for your activity outbound here. Yeah. And I hope you will enjoy this location. This location is provided for you. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.